Boom! What's going on, everyone? After a 2-year hiatus, thanks to a major worldwide event, MATS, the Mid-America Trucking Show, was back in Louisville, Kentucky, March 24th through 26th, 2022. MATS is an annual show, and this was the 50th anniversary of the show. Well, it was supposed to be in the 2021 show, but since the show was canceled, 2022 became the 50th anniversary. MATS is the trucking industry show, and it is presented for truck parts dealers and the public. It is a very exciting show because you never know what will be there. Mack, Freightliner, International, Peterbilt, Kenworth, Western Star, and even Volvo are known to set up massive booths to show off their trucks. Trailer manufacturers such as Great Dane, Mack Trailers, Manac, and other trailer manufacturers also show off their latest improvements. Though the big truck makers have been known to take a year off every now and then, so it's worth a look to see who's coming when planning your trip. I've been to the show many times, and every time I found lots of new products and methods to take care of big trucks. It's also a great place to catch up with old friends from the industry and to see lots of custom show trucks all in one place. If you haven't been to MATS, are you really a truck fan? A trip to MATS will bring you up to date on the latest improvements in the trucking industry and newest products to keep your truck sparkling. Hundreds of vendors from all over the world are present to introduce you to their products like oils, chrome, and cleaners. These vendors are selling the latest in creature comforts for drivers. You can find the newest types of oil and other lubricants to keep your truck running in top shape. Chrome products galore to dress up your truck, and various reflectors and bright lights to make your truck shine in the night. You can truly find everything you could want for your truck and a whole lot more. These products are not just for the drivers. The latest tools of the trade for heavy truck mechanics are also there. New portable lifts are on display. Toolboxes and just about every tool imaginable can be found to fix any truck. A mechanic's dream. But the best part of the show is you see all of the new products on the market in person. Another major part of the show is driver recruitment. Recruiters from small to giant fleets are present to try and get new drivers to sign on with enticing pay and benefits packages. MATS truly is the show intended to promote the tough men and women who keep America moving. So, plan on spending a day or two in Louisville, Kentucky next March at the exciting Mid-America Trucking Show. Now, let's head down to the rock quarry and talk about DCP by First Gear's MATS 50th Anniversary Edition show replica. And this is the Mack Superliner with 60-inch sleeper and 3-bottom pneumatic hopper for MATS. This was run for the 50th anniversary of the MATS, the Mid-America Trucking Show. It's made by DCP by First Gear in 1/64 scale diecast. Item number is 69-1003. You see MATS Show 2021 50th anniversary. And there it is, out of the package. Isn't that sharp? White truck with the gold striping and gold accents, and the chrome 3-bottom Heil pneumatic tanker trailer. Really sharp. I kind of have a love-hate with chrome. Chrome looks so cool, but at the same time, those big chrome panels are hard to film, and they're also hard to keep clean. It's easy to get fingerprints on them. This is the DCP 3-bottom hopper. First one they brought out was a 4-bottom, and now they finally, years and years later, finally made the 3-bottom, which really and truly you see more 3-bottoms than 4-bottoms, but they're both out there pretty heavy on the highways. It has the Mid-America Trucking Show logo right there.
than 50 years together as an industry, because the show has gone on 50 years. Now, this truck and paint scheme was actually designed for the 2021 year, and underneath it actually says 2021. It rides on chrome 10-hole wheels and soft rubber tires, DOT striping on the fenders, DOT striping on the frame. It has little warnings here, here, and all over on this frame. Front mud flap is molded into the fender, but they tampoed it black. Then you can also see more DOT striping. Marker light up front, marker light back here on the rear. Piping for all the pneumatic works are all on top. Some in black and some of them in silver, depending on whether they were a removable rubber hose or a solid pipe that was actually on the machine, not removable. 3 roof hatches to get in. Catwalk is lined out with little black marks to make it look like it has grip places where you could walk. More catwalk and ladder down the back. Diamond plating. Underneath, you have the pipe that's connected to all 3 hoppers that comes out the back to unload the truck. It has axles that bend over, and like the real ones, they're not straight axles, they actually have an arch in them, which is really different. Has air ride rear suspension. You see the tread pattern on the tires, and you can see the landing gear here. Around to the passenger side, pretty much the same as the driver's side, except for the piping's a little different. DOT striping. Here's where those little rubber hoses hook to that and connect to there and go that way. Really, I like this trailer better than the 4-bottom they came out with first. I think it's a better looking trailer. Back of the trailer here, you can see it has the Heil logo there, big brake light. It has 3 DOT lights under this top step. Then you have your brake lights, turn signal lights right there, tampoed in. Black mud flaps and a lot of DOT striping on the rear bumper. Also right there is the pipe where you would hook on to empty the truck. Then there's a step so you can climb up. It makes it a lot easier. There's also a Matt's 50th anniversary tampo right here on the back of the tank. Hard to see though because of the ladder. Maybe they put a matching one. Nope, they put a different tampo on the front of the tank. Front, it has the Matt's logo, the Heil logo, and then here's some warning lines and where the hoses would hook up, more warning tampos. Really, really nice trailer they made. It has screw down type landing gear as well. This is the Mack Superliner. It was actually pretty new when this truck was supposed to come out in 2021 when they started doing the competition. To make this truck, they actually did a competition where you got to pick the truck from the listing that they gave, then you got to pick the trailer, and finally you got to pick the graphics, which was kind of a cool idea from First Gear. And this is the one that won. The beautiful Mack Superliner. Has an opening hood to show off a detailed 6-cylinder Mack diesel engine. It has steerable front end. As you can see, it's really positionable, not true steering, it's positionable. It has dual chrome breathers. Well, they're chrome plated, then they painted them white so they can have chrome bands and chrome caps. And then it has the piping that goes under the hood to the turbocharger. You see it right through there, really sharp. It has gold striping all over the truck. It has a 50 years as in together in the industry tampo on the sleeper, then a big star. That would be the same one that's on the back of the trailer, only completed out on the back of the trailer. It has the Mid-America logo on the doors, both sides, which kind of doesn't fit with the paint scheme. I like the gold for gold anniversary, but it doesn't really fit with the logo. It's kind of weird. It has the Superliner logo up on the front of the hood right there. Mack tampoed there. Bulldog up on the hood. And then box style. The square box style turn signals mounted on the fenders. You can see chrome fuel tanks, chrome battery box and air tanks, chrome fenders that go up over the first one. Those will be chrome half fenders. 60-inch sleeper, chrome mirrors, chrome straight stacks, chrome air horns, and chrome visor. The roof clearance lights are molded in the cab, tampoed silver and orange. Really sharp. On the front, big drop Texas style bumper and chrome grille. Those are both chrome. Headlights are chrome plated. They're not individual jewel style, they're chrome plated. square box rectangles. Mack tampoed there, and then you can see the Bulldog on top. Inside the cab, low back, black seats, black steering wheel, gray dashboard, gray panels. I'm sure there's a gray steering wheel in there as well. On the back here, Mack branded mud flaps. Brake lights are tampoed red and white. It's got extra lights back there, and then it has a pogo stick with air lines and electric lines. Fifth wheel is there. Go underneath, Mack rear suspension with Mack differentials, then drive shafts, and then big long drive shaft engine to front differential, bottom of the engine, and transmission detail. Really, really sharp truck they've got here. Now let's go on and hook it back up. And that, my friends, is the Mack Superliner with 3-bottom Heil pneumatic tanker for mats, the 50th anniversary. The box says 2021, but this was released in 2022 at the 2022 Mat Show, and that was the only place you could get them. First Gear didn't sell them anywhere else.
Have you ever been to Matt's? If you have, did you get one of the show trucks as a souvenir? Let me know down in the comments below your experiences, and maybe next year we can all meet up at Matt's 2023. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I'm Logan, the 64th Gear Jammer Skeele, and I'll be back soon with some new content and another episode of Toy Talk.